good people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of I Have No Idea What's Going On With My Life. I'm your host, Damdaved, and today we got some work to do. Roll that intro.
They call me yellow cause the paint is banana, the clip is banana, I'm going bananas. Look, boy, you a bitch. Get your funds together. Look at them. Didn't fuck with us when we was down. Now we coming up together. You can stay in the back cause all up on track, we running it up together. You said we would flop, now the gang at the top, and we don't give a fuck together.
We're out here at the graffiti wall in Houston, Texas. Whole lot of shit rocking out here. We got some nice cars, man. Let's go walk around and see what's up. Let's get it. TV, what's up, bro? Bro, that Trackhawk that just launched, this fucking cop, he came around the corner looking for his ass, but he already ducked off. Man, you were a little too late, boss. Shop. We already got T-Rose coming to pick up the merch. I told you this wasn't going to be here long.
The cars on the street, I'm sitting manual right here. We're going to have to shut the meet down. We're not trying to do all that. Just move the cars right on the street. Yeah, keep on going. Move the cars on St. Emmanuel.
Man, fuck you. Bro, the police are shutting down this little meet like for no reason. This is like a civil ass car meet. Like there's probably not even 50 cars here. Like I don't know what's going on. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why is there 6 cops here?
You can't come make up rules. Nigga, you can pay to park right here. Get the fuck out of here. Okay, nobody Hey, I need your information, but the thing is, you gotta park because you making up shit as you go along. And the thing is, we park here every night. We were just here last night. So what I'm saying, you making stuff up.
Man, they got like 28 tow trucks and 50 police. Why? I don't know what's going on. There's definitely 6 police and more pulling up. And then now they got 3 or 4 tow trucks here.
You know you can park there, right?
I know. Wasting time and wasting resources. All them tow trucks wasted their time. All the police wasted their time. So much shit happening all over the rest of the city. I don't understand why. There is literally more cops down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more trucks down there, and there's people parking on the sidewalk again. Holy shit, there's more coming, bro. They called the entire county, bro. What the fuck? This can't be. Okay, the way the police departments are set up, right, is that there is the biggest emergency they send the most resources to first, and then they trickle it down through importance, right? So you're saying this is the most dangerous thing happening in the entire city? This is the biggest threat to public safety? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The supervisor's over there. 7, 8, 9. Ridiculous. The hell, bro? There's no reason.
Hey, what happened over there?
I don't know, bro. Somebody's in their feelings.
Are they like playing with us or?
I don't think they're playing with us because they acting like this is a fucking threat to public safety.
Somebody gonna get me right. Nobody do that.
So it looks like all the police are leaving. It's wrapping up. Nobody got towed. Nobody got in trouble. Absolutely nothing happened. So I have no idea on planet Earth why everybody came and made a big ass scene like that. But you know, here we are in some bullshit. So that's typical. What a very boring and buzz-killing way to end a meet. But you know what? Sometimes shit get ruined. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little crazy-ass video with all this shit happening. I got a lot more stuff coming on the channel, so be sure to join the family. Hit that subscribe button if you like what I'm doing over here. Go ahead and hit that like button as well, and drop a comment. And, you know, if you think I could have done something better in this video, or you want to see something in the next video, because I reply to all my comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.
You think you know Damdaved, y'all don't know a damn thing, y'all don't know me. I've been in the game, bitch, I'm an OG. Some of y'all hoes forget about me, but don't worry, I'll still be around when your bitch needs some fucking company. Swerving down the block in the 426, Yo girlie heard it purring and she blew me a kiss. She saw my foot sticking out the window, it was these fresh white kicks. Yeah,